アイラアイラさん。
はい。どうもありがとうございます。I'm Aira. I love to dance. I love to sing. I love dressing up and pretend like a model. I love makeups. I love to cook. I love living my life to the fullest. And most of all, I love to laugh a lot. Welcome to my life. Hi, good morning. I'm going to take you with me today, yes, because I have extra time and I'm very excited to also show you another milestone in my life. Yes, I think I haven't told you about this on my last times of vlogs. I am doing fine, yes, getting busier as usual because I already have a job. Aside from working, I am also studying Japanese. Yes, and today is our graduation day. Yes, I'm not sure if you call it as a graduation day, but I mean the semester is finally done and I'm finally done with my studies. So we are going to receive an award, like something like a diploma kind of paper wherein we are congratulated for completing the semester. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just so happy because when I first came here in my first years, I don't even know how to speak Japanese, like those basic words, but now I can finally talk and communicate with Japanese people. And I'm what makes me extra happy, or what makes me extra happier is that I got to get a lot of friends, and my teachers also are very kind and they are very good teachers. So I'm going to also share with you, if I have time, I'm going to sit and talk of how I have discovered this kind of facility, this kind of study, because I want also to let other Filipinos in Japan know of how to study Japanese for a cheap price. So yeah, let's prepare ourselves and I'm gonna take you to our graduation day. Congratulations to me and to my classmates and friends. See you later. Bye. So this is our look for today. Yeah, there to there. Yeah, and I'm walking now to the station. We look like a human today. See you. All night, come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just for the light. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. 修了証書、A 様。令和4年度前期日本語教室 A クラスを修了したことを証明する修了証書修了証書様お疲れ様です。お疲れ様でした。
アイラさん。
はい。
修了証書アイラ・シェイン様令和4年度前期日本語教室 C クラスを修了したことを証明する令和4年9月15日公益財団法人板橋区文化国際交流財団理事長坂本武史代読です。お疲れ様でした。
葉は難しいです。でも私頑張ります。
すごい感謝し。で、はい、皆さんが頑張ります。
ご親切にありがとうございました。教科書だけでなく先生の経験から教えていただいたので面白かったです。
ハワイから来ました。先生、皆さん、どうもありがとうございました。ここで日本語の勉強が楽しい時間になりました。本当にありがとうございました。
はい。皆さんこんにちは。フィリピンから来ましたアイラ・シェインというです。半年間は楽しかったです。友達もできて、先生たちもボランティアでも優しく元気に上手に心からで日本語を教えてくれました。おかげで一人で日本でいろいろなことができました。自信がつきました。日本語の勉強はもっともっと好きになりました。絶対続きます。どうもありがとうございました。日本語の勉強頑張りました。これからも続けて
すごい。
A クラスの皆さんも B クラスの皆さんもありがとうございます。